Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. What is up, you beauties? Short video today. I'm going to be teaching you basically how to make condensed milk, but even more condensed than condensed until you've got like kind of like caramel texture. Just make it, it's lovely. You can have it on ice cream, you can have it on pretty much anything. As always, if you like vegan food, vegetarian, plant-based, or no animals or animal products on my channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I will love you for it. Folks, have a great day. Let's get cooking. Okay, folks, this is a very easy recipe to make. Just pour everything in and stir it on a very low flame. You're just going to keep stirring until you get to the desired thickness of it. I'm going to make another video on condensed milk itself using white sugar so you can see what that looks like. But if it is condensed milk that you need because the recipe calls for it, this is the stage where you want to stop. Okay, I'm going in slow motion now so you can see the thickness of it. That's the stage you want to stop. After that, for the sake of this video, I'm making caramel. More along the lines of dulce de leche, but a vegan version. I'm just going to wait until it goes brown a bit. There you have it, folks, vegan caramel. If you want to make dulce de leche, which is the Argentinian butterscotch type thing, just keep stirring until it goes a bit darker and that's it. Don't forget, this will still go firm once it cools down as well. Folks, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment down below. It's always appreciated. Ciao for now.